Slow downhill.
What are you doing?
To the left. Yeah.
You gonna chew on our cuckoo clock?
Too much to the right. That's about right.
Buddy.
Yeah, right there.
No,
Are you supposed to chew on the cuckoo clock?
Over. Maybe there can.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a horrible swing.
A bit too aggressive here.
Oh, I didn't even mean to do all that.
Mulligan, too. Did you hit 2? Oh. Okay. A notch to the right.
So I was right on. Yeah.
But you gotta hit it, not like a third of the power you use.
Marty, do you want to eat, buddy? You almost got him.
Oh, how many shots you gonna take there, old
This will
boy?
be the last one. It's already in position, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in position when you last watch it.
What are you doing, buddy? You go chew on the cuckoo clock again?
This could be close.
No.
That might take